Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Daniel and I would like to welcome you to yet another news video from Nordic Anglers. Nordic Anglers is our web shop and all the things you see in this newsletter you will be able to get from Nordic Anglers. In this newsletter I'm going to talk about some splendid, really good offers. We have decided, we looked at our stock and decided a few things that are going to be discontinued and stuff. We're gonna sell at a very great price. So the first thing I want to show you is perhaps one of the most iconic items out there. This is the classic Tfo ceramic standard bobbin. This has been the companion of many a fly tire for many a year. I have a bunch of these myself. We just have a bit too many of these in stock currently. So for a very limited time period, we have decided to sell these at half price. So swing by Nordic Anglers if you're in need of a quality bobbin that can last for years and years. So the Tfo standard bobbin, half price just now at Nordic Anglers. That's the first item of the day. The second is these. These are Whiting's flagship Rooster capes. These are the American capes. These are big capes with just an amazing amount of perfect feathers for all things wet fly, salmon fly, saltwater fly, whatever you need a rooster cape for. The American Roosters are probably the best capes available out there. We have these for a limited time again at a really sharp price at Nordic Anglers. Basically just go on to Nordic Anglers and then type American Rooster and you'll see all the different colors. We have a bunch of different colored grizzly capes, but also these pure colored ones as well. So if you're in need or looking for you know, that special cape in maybe a color that you don't see every day, then now is the time to get it, because this price will never be lower than this. So swing by and watch that. Then we have Tfo have decided to go to the Tfo has decided to discontinue the Pro II rod series. So we have these in the shop as well. We have both the one-handed series. This is probably what you would characterize as Tfo's entry-level fly rods, and these are going to be replaced by the Pro III. So we have a bit of these left over, and we're gonna sell these at a 30% discount. So if you're in the market for a new entry-level fly rod, then the Tfo Pro in the one-hand model is a great option. But in particular, the two-handed rods as well are really awesome. When these first were put on the market, I bought one of these to try them out, to test them out, to see if these could be used as kind of an entry-level two-handed rod. So that's why this has been used quite a lot, because I really like these rods. These rods cast really easily and very effortlessly. And I actually landed a few salmon and sea trout on this while testing it out. So this has my I can back this product 100%. And it's really great value for money. That's the same goes for the one-handed version. But these are also now marked down with 30%. So yeah. If you're on a lookout looking for a two-handed rod or a one-handed rod, then the Pro II is a strong bet. Again, as long as stock lasts, that's how long we have those. The last thing is the Tfo NXT reel. Again, we've marked this down by 30%. So this reel is a reel that would fit really nicely with the Pro II series. Although it's not available in sizes big enough for a two-handed rod, it is perfectly suited for all the one-handed rods. So the NXT reel here, again, fairly nice reel with a very well working brake system. This is cast aluminum, so it's not machined aluminum, but it gets the job done, and we sell quite a lot of these. Just now, for a short limited time, these are 30% off at Nordic Anglers. And I think basically that's it. Oh, you could also just make another shout out for these. The two different colored Renzetti vises, but these are not on sale. I just had them standing around here, so I wanted to show you these once again. The 2 limited edition Renzetti Traveler vises in both the olive and the blue. Really awesome. Also available still at Nordic Anglers. Besides this, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video and for following the channel. Remember to, you know, subscribe and click the bell and all that sort of stuff. Otherwise, I wish you all the best of luck out on the water. And thank you again for watching.